Universal compatibility. Perfectly compatible with any devices with a 3.5mm aux port, such as Apple iPhone, iPod, iPad, headphones, hi-fi, car stereos, tablet, laptop, smartphones, MP3 player, speaker and any other audio playing devices. Attention! Incompatible with life-proof cases and Otter Box cases. Unparalleled sound quality. Polished 24K gold-plated connectors ensure reliability and eliminate signal loss and noise possible. Offer clear and stereo sound to your devices. Ultra durable and tangle-free. Within 15,000 plus ultra-durable bend lifespans several times longer than original audio cables. You can wind it without having to worry about knots or kinks. Easy carrying and storage. Double shielding significantly enhances protection against interference, and with the specially designed organizer, no messy or tangled cable anymore. What you get: Syncwire 3 feet. Nylon braided aux cable, 3 years free card, user guide and customer service. 3-year free warranty. At Syncwire, SWSCO17 aux cable come with 30 days money-back guarantee and 3-year warranty. Syncwire Products is the only authorized seller of Syncwire brand products. Second-hand purchase or purchase from a non-authorized seller, distributor will not be covered by our warranty. Technical phone support, Monday to Friday. Top reviews from the United States. Quality cable at a great price. I've been using this aux cord for about a month and it's yet to let me down. I was really conflicted on what brand cable to buy, and I am very glad I went with this one. The audio sounds great and no static whatsoever. The quality of the cable is really nice too. This cord got me through a 3-hour drive to and from the beach, and I use it just about every day driving to and from work. Really happy with this purchase and I am glad I picked this brand.